can you call me a princess? I am just a commoner like you.
My princess, your father may behead me.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Where are you going to now, princess?
Enemies of this kingdom are on their feet again.
Madam.
What?
Madam, what is it?
What happened? Was I running?
Adeze, talk to your father. What is happening to you?
Nonya called us and said you're having troubled sleep. And we came here and see you fidgeting on the bed.
Wait, you mean I have been in the room?
Yes, you have been here.
Ah, thank God.
Adeze, is there anything you would like to share with us?
No, it's fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Are you okay? Why are you blocking me? Can't you see that I'm going out for workout?
My prince, there is an order from the king. You are not allowed to leave this palace without a palace guard.
Are you being serious? So tell me, how are you going to do that while I'm running?
My prince, as you can see, I am ready for this job. Allow me to do my job.
Now listen, I don't want you to go with me, all right?
My prince, please, I don't want your father, the king, to behead me.
Now leave here before I kick your balls.
I am doing my job.
Stopping me?
My prince,
I said I'm gonna kick your balls, right here and now.
My prince, I am doing my job.
Hey, talk to your colleague, all right? I'm talking to you, talk to your colleague. Tell him to let me go out.
My prince, that's the order from the king.
Even you. been showing yourself, right?
I'm doing my job.
Adeze, go and get prepared. Hmm? Your mother will take you to the hospital.
No, Dad. No. I have been to the hospital countless times. And the doctor said I'm fine. So there's no need.
Adeze, you can't tell me that. Eh? It's obvious that you are not fine. Can't you see?
Your Majesty, sir.
Yes.
The prince is forcing to go out without a guard.
Didn't you tell him about my instructions?
Your words were clearly stated to him, but he's trying to alter them.
What is wrong with this boy? Eh? I need to see him. He's becoming too stubborn.
Daddy, just take it easy.
Go and prepare, go and prepare. You have to go to the hospital.
Get off my way. I said get off my way. Get off my way. I'm gonna punch your eye. Get off my way. What's wrong with you? Get off my way.
It's a direct order from the king.
What kind of orders are you talking about? Get off my way. Get off my way.
What's going on there? Everyone, stop this rubbish. Stop it this minute. You disrespect me when you disobey my orders.
Your orders discredit my freedom. How can I be living like a captive in a kingdom that I'm heir to the throne?
Exactly. As an heir to the throne, you can live your life the way you want it. An heir to the throne of Amaju Kingdom is not an ordinary person.
Father, you should have left me in Canada. Because I can't take this. I haven't been caged like this all my life.
Exactly why I brought you back from Canada. You have to learn how to live like a king. To be an heir to the throne of Amaju Kingdom is a privilege, an opportunity you must be happy to have.
Father, honestly, I can't take this. How can I be living like a slave in my own father's house and you say that I'm heir to the throne? Does it make sense? No, it doesn't. Living like a slave in my own father's house. No, Dad, it doesn't make sense.
Keep quiet, idiot! Okoba, make sure that he doesn't step an inch from this palace except he has a guard. Is that understood?
Your wish is my command.
Good.
Majesty.
Good morning, Your Highness.
Dr. Silas, how are you?
I'm fine. I hope you're fine too.
I am fine, but my daughter is not fine. She always have troubled sleep.
The last time she came here, she complained of this same issue. But I ran a test on her and we couldn't find any problem.
So what could be wrong?
Medically, I can't lay my finger on anything. But I referred her to a counselor because I think she might be battling with some issues she wouldn't like to share with anybody.
No, that's not true. You see, my daughter and I bathed in the same bathroom. So she wouldn't hide anything from me.
Madam, she is medically okay for now. But nevertheless, I will keep tracks with her medical reports.
Please, do. Because I don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
I assure you, nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Thank you.
Nothing to fear.
Your Majesty, I think it is time you made peace with the chief priest. You need to maintain steady line of communication with him.
I am still leaving him there because I don't want my people to see me as a tyrant. If he continues the way he is, I am going to remove him and put someone else who is loyal to me.
But, Your Majesty, the king needs to always hear from the chief priest.
Oh no. If I discover that the gods speak to him, but he keeps the words of the gods to himself, I will have him beheaded. You go and tell him that.
Oh, no, 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 Your Majesty. It has not gotten to that.
It has gotten beyond that. I mean, how can my subjects expect me to agree to whatever he says? And he has the guts to go angry anytime I refuse to do what he says. How?
Your Majesty, I think the chief priest has the best interest of the land at heart. Yes, he might be doing things you don't like, but there's this saying that if even you don't like the messenger, make sure you get the message. I've consulted him a couple of times, and Your Majesty, I think you need to hear him.
If he refuses to come to me, to hell with him. Now you tell him that I will soon change him since he cannot walk with me.
Your Majesty, no king has ever changed a chief priest.
There is always a first time, and this will be one.
Oh no, Your Majesty, you wouldn't do that.
I hope you know it's a job of a gate man.
Yes, my queen, I'm aware.
And you're dressed like this.
Oh,
anyway, you've got the job. You're hired.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So when do I start, ma?
You can resume on Monday.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me go and get ready. Thank you, ma.
Who is he?
He's the new gate man. I just employed him.
I would have loved to speak with him. I told you, I don't want anybody who is working in this palace to be an indigene of this kingdom.
No, he's not from our kingdom. He's from Oman, our neighboring kingdom.
Okay, that's great. I'm going to see the chief priest.
Your Majesty, please don't make trouble with him.
Come on, I'll do no such thing. But if I, Igwe Udemba Ejogu I of Famaji Kingdom, happens to him, he will adjust. Trust me.
Just take it easy. Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, I hold nothing against you.
Hypocrite. That is what you are. Now tell me, when last did you bring any message from the gods to me?
Your Majesty, I only speak when the gods ask me to speak. I do not speak when they do not ask me to speak. And whatever I do is under the direction of the gods.
Really? Now tell me, are the gods now so dumb that they don't speak to you anymore? Or you are too busy working against me in such a way that you don't hear what they say anymore?
Your Majesty, with all due respect, you are the one who has paid deaf ears to the voice of the gods. That is why they have been silent this long.
Udoma, let me warn you for the very last time. As a matter of fact, that is why I came here myself, so that you will hear every single word of it directly from me. If you don't desist from working against me, I will pour on you and your household like a hot rain. I will so descend on your family that no single grass will be able to survive it. I, Igwe Udemba Ejogu 1 of Amaju Kingdom, the Ozo Kitikiti 1 of Amaju Kingdom, has spoken.
Nkịtị nkịtị bụ mbe ikuku na-abara ọjị. A na-abara agụ mba. Mba no. This man forgets that I made him king.
One, my man, what's up? Nah, fine, no. I'm fine, my brother.
Why are you so excited? What did happen?
My brother, what God cannot do does not exist.
When did you become?
I got a job. Oh, that's what I'm trying to
Wow, congratulations. I'm happy for you, thank God.
Thank you, thank you.
Serious?
And you see, this job is the kind of job I've been looking for all my life. I've been praying, fasting for this same job. And God just gave it to me like that too. Like that, my brother.
You mean you got a job in an oil company?
This guy, no. It's not oil company. I got a job as a gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper?
Mm-hmm.
Gateman?
It's the same thing. Gateman, gatekeeper.
So you got a job as a gateman in the palace and you're happy?
What do you mean I'm happy?
Tell me you're joking, Nzube.
You see? This is why I didn't want to tell you when I was looking for this job. Because you will end up discouraging me. Why are you laughing now? Instead of you to be happy for your friend.
You got a job as a gateman and you expect me to clap for you, Nzube.
What do you mean clap for me? Didn't you hear what I said? This is the kind of job I've been looking for all my life. I got the job because of the money involved. And secondly, I have always loved mingling with the royalties. You know what it takes to talk to the king, to see the king face to face?
Which king face to face? If you work hard and make money, royalty will look for you, Nzube. You are a first-class graduate, my friend. Will you be proud to tell Ifeoma that you are working as a gateman in someone's palace?
Please, let's just leave this thing. I'll see you later, yeah?
Come, Nzube, come.
I'll see you later, okay? Just go.
First-class graduate and a gateman. Nzube, you are just a first-class mugu. You are a gatekeeper.
Mama, mango nka atobo onwe. Sugar.
You are talking as if you don't know a mango again. Hope you arrange the ones you carry to the market later.
Yes, Mama.
You reserve some for your brother.
Yes, Mama. I kept some for him inside.
Okay.
So bon.
Your brother is back.
Brother, welcome.
How are you?
You got a lot of mango. Your own is inside.
Don't worry.
For you inside.
Don't worry. Mama? Good news, though. No, guess first.
I don't know.
I finally got a job.
Eh? Congratulations, my son. Congrats.
Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Hey.
Good news.
Thank you, Mama.
Where did you get the job?
It's Enugu, a brewery in Enugu.
Ah, that is good, although it's far.
No, it's not really far. It's not far like that.
Okay, when will you start?
Next week, Monday.
Hey. Sharp, brother. But I'm so happy for you. Now I will go in and prepare a long list of everything you buy for me. Immediately you receive your salary. I don't want to hear there is no money.
Eh? You will not even allow your brother to start the job first. You're talking about writing a long list.
My brother's money is my money. Brother, ego give ego. Okay.
Eh?
Yes.
Then you will go with him and start the job with him.
It's our money. Mama, leave me, John.
What you should be talking about now is how to go in, prepare a delicious meal in order to congratulate him.
Yes, brother. Brother, I'll cook onubu soup for you. I know you like it. Hey, I'm so happy for you, brother.
I don't know what is wrong with him. Why is he preparing like a woman? Huh? Canada. It's South Africa.
Oh my God.
Baby, like
Okay. Sorry for wasting much of your time. We can go now.
Go where?
To the function.
You mean you want to accompany me to a traditional function dressed like this?
But what's wrong with what I'm putting on?
Oh, you don't know who you are?
Ezenwa, how long do you want us to tell you before you understand that you are a prince, heir to the throne of this kingdom?
Mom.
You must always dress the part of royalty that you represent.
Mom, this is uncalled for. You people are putting me through another kind of bondage right now. I can't go places of my choice. I can't wear my favorite clothes. I can't even live my life just because I'm a prince.
What the hell are you talking about? Are you crazy? Huh? Have you gone crazy? You want us to keep reminding you of who you are? Now, I'm going in there. Whenever you're ready, you let me know.
But Father, what's wrong with what I'm putting
My
on?
friend, you better go and change into a royal attire. What is wrong with you?
I think you people should just go for this function without me because I'm not going anywhere.
Look at this boy, you. Canada, hey God, Canada has entered his brain. He doesn't even understand who he is.
If I'm not that one to be.
I came to inform you that I finally got a job in the palace.
Oh my God, are you serious? Oh my God, I'm so happy for you. Wait, you finally got a job in our palace?
No, it's not in our palace. Actually, there's no vacancy there, so someone helped me to get a job in the palace of our magic kingdom. It wasn't easy.
Okay, what kind of job could you possibly get in a palace?
A gate man. It was...
Gate man?
Yes, gate man. And it was very difficult to get...
So, Betty, is this how desperate you are to get close to the palace?
My love, you see, this is what I've always wanted. I've always been dreaming of getting a job in the palace. Why? I mean, this is what I want. This is what I've been dreaming of. And finally, I got it. So I expect you to be happy for me.
So, Betty, where is your pride as a graduate? I mean, you graduated with flying colors. Okay, what will you tell Mama?
Well, I didn't tell them anything in details. I just told them that I got a job in the city and that's it.
Hey. Zubechi, you're not being fair. This is so unfair now. Wait, so you don't care about what people around you will say or think about this awkward decision of yours? Okay, that aside, what about me? How do you expect me to stand before my friends and tell them that my man is now a gate man?
But babe, what is wrong with that? I'm a gate man in a royal house, not just an anyhow place. And besides, I don't care about what people say. I mean, this is my life. This is what makes me happy. Okay? They won't come to live my life for me. So as my woman, you ought to support me. This is what makes me happy. Would you believe that I spoke to the Queen today? It felt like heavens to me. And seeing the members of the royal house, this is a dream come true. I love how they do their things. I love royalty stuffs. I love to see the king. I love the attire. This is what I want.
So, but you have one option, which is to quit that job.
Quit the job?
Yes.
Ha. That's not possible, though. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't.
Okay. You can't. Hi.
Please, don't do this now. I thought you care about my happiness. This is what I love. This is what makes me happy. People have been looking for this kind of opportunity. Please.
Nkem, leave me alone. Leave me alone. If working as a gate man is so important to you and is all you want, then so be it. Leave me alone.
No, it's not so be it. Then you have to support me. If that is what I want, which is what I want you to support me, please. Huh? Pikono, don't do this, please.
Zubechi, if working as a gate man is a fulfillment to you, then it goes contrary for me. I can never marry a gate. What am I saying? I can't even date a gate man.
My love.
This is what I'm trying to. Don't iffy me. Don't iffy me. Henceforth, you don't know me. I don't know you. Therefore, if you see me, call me this way. Please change direction. Nzubechi, please. Please. I beg you. Please.
You are my
Shameless
direction.
thing.
I can't change direction. It's only you I know.
Stop following me.
What is it? What is wrong with you?
The enemies of the throne are on their feet again. My enemies want to take the throne away from me.
Your Majesty, you have done well for the people. Who in their right mind will want to take away the throne from you?
Some people want to grab power from me, even when they don't know what to do with it. They don't even care what the feelings of the people are. But I will not allow them. I will not allow it to happen.
Your Majesty, but there are voices from the vineyard. The Ode Festival.
Where are you rushing to this hour of the day?
I am going to see the chief priest.
Hope all is well.
I wonder why it is only me that is worried about the king not performing the Ode festival. His son is almost 30. And I wonder why he's trying to dodge this age-long festival that has been practiced years ago. That shows that something is not right about him.
I can authoritatively tell you that I spend most of my time with the king. And he means well for the people. So he should be very proud to perform any ritual in this land.
Be careful what they make you see. Most times, they will show you the opposite of who they really are. Yes, any king who avoids the Ode festival, considering the traditional practices that go with it, that means there is a skeleton in his cupboard.
Mr. Ribe, there is wisdom in not going against the king. Let the gods intervene.
We represent the gods here. And we can trigger the gods to action. That's why we are elders of this land. No matter what it takes for the Ode festival to be done in my time, I do not care. Eye of the gods, I've come to see you for something very important. You see, the king has ruled very well. There is no doubt about that. He has also brought development to our land. He also has given scholarships to most of our children, which we are all happy about. You see, but the Ode festival has revealed the dirty secrets of the king. And the official introduction of who the next king will be to us. You see, could that be what the king is avoiding?
I work for the gods, not the people. The king works for the people. I only say what the gods want me to say. I will say it to whoever they direct me to say it.
But the king is not being open to us. And as a titled chief and a kingmaker in this kingdom, I think I need to know why the king is avoiding the Ode festival.
The secrets of the palace cannot be divulged to a commoner, except the gods direct.
So you mean there is a secret somewhere?
Does that mean that there is a secret somewhere?
There is no clean life anywhere. Every human has done something dirty. The Ode festival is done when the king has many male children and he doesn't know which one is fit for the crown. I have only one male child, and so they already know their king.
Your Majesty, since they asked for it, do it so that it won't look as if you have something you're trying to hide.
Now I understand why my father once told me that man is insatiable. Most times, we go extra miles to get what we can't keep, and then fail to find our way home. We don't understand the value of life until time is up.
Time is up. I don't get it. Your Majesty, your words are too deep.
I wish the enemies of the throne will know this too.
Do not be an enemy to the palace.
I am not against the palace, but I'm against the king for not honoring our tradition.
But the king is the custodian of the same tradition you are fighting for. He can change it anytime he pleases. Only the gods have the powers to do so.
Are you saying we should fold our arms and watch him do whatever he likes?
Whatever he is doing, fighting him means fighting the gods. Let us keep our fingers crossed and see how it all unfolds.
No. I will not let him be. As far as I'm concerned, the festival must be done in my time. The gods will not punish me for standing strong for our culture and our tradition of this land.
You have to swear an oath with the Ofo of Amaji Kingdom that if you do anything evil against the royal family, the gods will punish you with death.
How? What is how?
Oh, did you come here with any evil intention?
No, not at all, sir. But I have not taken an oath since I was born.
Ah, yes, but you have to take this one. Except, of course, you don't want the job. Yes?
No. Okay, sir.
Good. Now take and say after me. Take. I. So you call your name.
I, Nzube Chukwu,
hereby swear that if I plan any evil against the royal household, or connive with any person or group of persons to plan evil,
or
connive with group of persons or any person to plan evil
against the king or his family.
Against the king or his family.
May the gods of Amaji Kingdom strike me dead.
May the gods of Amaji Kingdom strike me dead.
Good. Let's have it. He said, Okogba,
Your Majesty,
you can go and show him his duties.
If I'm not that one to become palm oil, must pass through fire. No one picks up a dead lion right in his compound at the mayhem. Only the gods can do that to you. Makadio tiada kosi for
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Why are you wasting my time?
I'm sorry. I just started today.
Just open the gate. What is that?
It's rust. It needs oil. It's not opening. Sorry, my princess.
Yes. You have to be very, very careful. This job is not for lazy people.
But bro, we need to add oil to it so it can open easily.
Will you go and sit down? The last time I will show you this. Next time you will receive slap. Watch me. Watch me. This is the last time. Next time, slap.
Wrong with me. There's something going on and I don't know what it is.
Leave us. Thank you, Michael.
Did anything happen again?
Well, I keep having this strange feeling. It makes me do things subconsciously. I don't know.
Your Majesty, I think we better take her to a specialist abroad.
No. This is not a medical issue, okay? Don't worry. I will handle it, okay?
Father, am I being hypnotized? Please tell me.
Please, just don't worry your head, okay? Calm down. I will ensure that you don't experience it again, okay? Go and rest.
think we better do something fast because this issue is getting worse.
But I've said it now. I said I will handle it. Okay? Relax.
Yes, you are doing well for your people, but
I just can't explain what is happening today.
She's haunted.
Haunted?
By what? I don't know. But that's how haunted people behave now.
So tell me, how does she behave?
You have not told us now. How can you be asking me that kind of question? You know you are the one always close to her. You should be the one to know.
So, you don't know. And you just concluded that she's haunted. Maybe you should go and tell the king what is haunting his daughter.
Now. It has not gotten to that now. See your face. It has not gotten to that now. We are just gisting. Are we not?
Please, the next time you feel like gisting, avoid me. Avoid me.
See, if you do not want to get yourself into big trouble in this palace, stay away from things that has nothing to do with you.
Away. Rubbish. Oh, this is the truth now.
if I'm not that one to become palm oil, must pass through fire. No one picks up a dead lion right in his compound. Only the ghost can do that to you. Makadio tiada kosi fofo nenu. Abana we buraji echichwaje emesi agebume. Nzubechi mama nzube. Nzubechi mama.
This is not what I prayed for. This is just my first day, and I'm already getting so much. The princess is just something else. This is not the royal job I prayed for. If it continues like this, then I may die before I last up to 1 year. The people are not smiling. What kind of palace is this? The king looks serious. The guards are acting like there is war here. The princess is completely hostile. The prince may even shoot me in the head if I misbehave. I don't want to regret this from the start. Maybe this is the wrong place.
Do I really act mad?
God forbid. God forbid, my princess. You will never act mad. Don't let that thought get into your mind. Have you heard of a mad princess before?
No, but...
No but. I have never heard of a mad princess before, and you will never be the first. Come and sit and eat your fruit.